In question number 25, we are given that x square plus 1 by 25 x square is 9 integer 2 by 5. And he wants us to find the value of x minus 1 by 5x. So let's write this. We have x square plus 1 by 25 x square as 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 2 is 47 upon 5. Let's keep it as it is. Now, we have to find the value of this. So, we know now what to do with this. We will write the square identity of this. So, that will give us a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is 1 by 25 x square, minus 2, since these two are not same, so we will write 2ab. So, x into 1 by 5x, right? So, x and x will go. So, we are left with x minus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to this value we have got as 47 by 5, right? Value of this is 47 by 5. So, we can replace this value by 47 by 5 and then we have minus only 2 by 5 is left, right? Now, in the next step, we will take here 5 as LCM. So, we will get 47 minus 2. So, that is 45 upon 5. So, 5 nines are. So, we got x minus 1 by 5x whole square as 9. If we take square root on both the sides, we will get 1 upon 5x is equal to plus minus 3. So, we have found the value of this, right? Now, question number 26. Here, we are given that a square minus 4a minus 1 is 0, where a is not equal to 0. We have to find the value of a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square, and a square plus 1 by a square, right? Let's take this given expression first. What is this? A square minus 4a minus 1 equal to 0. So, we will shift this 1 to this side. We will get a square minus 4a equal to 1. Now, here if I take a common, I will get a minus 4 equal to 1. Now, if I shift this a here, I will get a minus 4 equal to 1 by a. Now, I will get it back here. So, I will get a minus 1 by a and shift this to this side, it will become 4. So, I got the first part, right? Now, I will square this, okay? Let me square this. So, I will get a square plus b square, that is 1 by a square, minus 2ab. Now, these two are same, so only 2 here, equal to 16. So, if I shift this 2 to this side, I will get a square plus 1 by a square as 18. I got this part also, right? Now, I want this part. So, I know that if I want this part, I will write the square identity of this, that is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2ab. So, these two are same, so only 2. I have calculated this as 18, right? So, I will substitute a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 18 plus 2, which gives me 20. So, I will get a plus 1 by a whole square as 4 into 5 as 20, right? I'll find the factors of this. So, finally, if I take square root on both the sides, I will get a plus 1 by a as plus minus, this 4 will come out of the square root, it will become 2 and root 5, right? I got the value of a plus 1 by a also. Now, he wants me to calculate the value of a square minus 1 by a square. By now, I know what to do. I know that a square minus 1 by a square is equal to a minus 1 by a into a plus 1 by a. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. I have both the values with me. A minus 1 by a is 4. Then this is plus minus root 5. 2 root 5, sorry. So So this will become 2 4s are plus minus 8 root 5. So I have found all the values.